Priyanka Chopra's fashion choices have always been the talk of the town, and all her looks at her brother Siddharth and Neelam's wedding were no exception either. Let us deep dive into all her looks from Mata Ki Chauki to Haldi to Mehndi, Sangeet and Grand Wedding. All were exceptional ensembles. What make these looks stand out? But more importantly, what worked and what could have been done differently. Let's deep dive and analyze all her looks, her lehenga, her blouse, her neckline, her hairstyling and her jewelry as well. Hi, my namaste to all you beautiful people out there. This is Soumitra, your next door jewelry and style expert. Let's first take Mata Ki Chauki function. Priyanka kept it classic and traditional with a salwar kameez from the brand Ceremonial. The outfit, crafted from plant-dyed silk cotton chanderi, featured delicate hand embroidery paired with a molten gold silk tissue salwar. The silk organza dupatta, dyed in madar and onion skins, was edged with metal lumpy gota and red silk accents, giving it a regal touch. As far as jewelry is concerned, she kept the necklace very light. She went with a light pendant with big Jadao Chandbalis. She kept her hair wavy, bouncy and draped on one side. The dupatta draped down vertically from one shoulder across to the other hand. What's my verdict on it? Do we like it? Yes, absolutely perfect for Mata Ki Chauki function. It was subtle, classic and elegant. A look worth considering for such occasions. Let's consider Mehndi look, one of the most stunning look from all her get-ups. All eyes were on Priyanka Chopra, where she graced herself with two-piece, all floral, multicolored piece from Rahul Mishra. The piece has intricate embroidery of multicolor flowers, pastel hues and hummingbirds. The lehenga corset combo, titled Falgun, is a highlight of his upcoming Spring Festive 2025 collection. What about jewelry styling? She stylized it with Bulgari necklace, light earrings and stylish bracelets and a pair of cocktail rings as well. Chic bag look in the photos were also worth watching. So what are our style takeaways from this whole getup? Multicolored floral lehengas are a worthy choice for a function such as Mehndi. If you have a off-shoulder blouse, then round necklace are a worthy complementary choice for it. You should definitely considering accessorizing more with a pair of light earrings and your favorite watch in one hand, but make sure the strap of the watch matches the whole ensemble. Stick to only diamond jewelry as the whole look is around semi-western look or Indo-western look. Do not populate it with so many colors. You can keep only one color from your whole ensemble so that your dress remains in the focus and you do not create another focus point with your statement necklace. That will again create a total chaos. What's my total verdict? Yes, Priyanka Chopra nailed the look with this classic dress style, floral dress style. It's so spring summerish style. You should definitely go for such outfit. Now let's get on with the Sangeet look. The fishtail lehenga by Falguni Shane Peacock was the limelight of this occasion. For the high energy Sangeet night, she went with bold and glamorous in a fitted fishtail lehenga by Falguni Shane Peacock in a midnight blue hue. The skirt featured a short trail adorned with Swarovski stone sequins and beads, while the bralette style blouse was embellished with floral motifs, crystals and sequins. A matching starry night dupatta complemented the look. Now here are my style observation about this look. If you do not have the perfect body figure, then be cautious with the body-hugging fishtail lehengas because that can be quite unforgiving. And even the slightest bulge in your body can be definitely seen. Fishtail lehengas were quite popular back in 2015, but not quite right now. Will they make a comeback after this stunning show from Priyanka Chopra? Let's wait and watch. Her subtle jewelry choice was on the point, letting the fishtail starry night blue hue lehenga in the focus. She totally skipped jewelry in one hand. An addition of a watch could have been better. If you are opting for a bralette blouse as is by Priyanka Chopra, then would you prefer all your hair in front or partially in front or totally at the back side? Tell me in the comment section. My final verdict in one line, it's a bold and dazzling choice by Priyanka Chopra, but fishtail lehengas may not be for everyone. Now let's get on with the grand wedding look. Such a huge star Priyanka Chopra is in town, you cannot keep the ace designer Manish Malhotra out of the picture. For the grand wedding, Priyanka donned a custom Manish Malhotra lehenga in shades of green and peacock blue. Embellished with Swarovski crystals, the contemporary Indian outfit featured an off-shoulder blouse which added modern elegance. As far as jewelry is concerned, she again opted for Bulgari necklace, emerald diamond necklace with solitaire tops. Hairstyle featured low back bun with wavy hairstyle. So here's my style analysis. As far as the lehenga is concerned, it is mesmerizing. You can definitely go with such color combinations. Second, in jewelry, she opted for solitaire earrings. I am not so sure about pairing such an amazing necklace with only a solitaire tops. At least she should have gone with a bolder stud in emerald color. A touch of hair accessory could have enhanced the overall aesthetics. Bracelet and cocktail ring were totally missing. You should not go with only bare hands. A touch of bracelet, cocktail ring, or a single-handed hatful might have elevated the whole look. And now my verdict. The outfit was spectacular. A little more accessorization would have elevated it to the whole other level. Now our final occasion, that is Haldi look. Priyanka Chopra kept it pretty simple with a yellow brocade lehenga with a bralette style fuller blouse. She accessorized it with matching bangles and polki jadao chanbalis. Her hairstyle was a classic back clutch style. Now what's my style verdict? Her look was too simple for a celebrity like Priyanka Chopra, but yes, we all can take this look if it is a homely function. Here she totally ignored the jewelry. In fact, the bride-to-be was looking more stunning than Priyanka Chopra. She should have gone with seashells or pearl jewelry at least, or she could have added multicolored jewelry to elevate the whole look. That was my detailed analysis of all the Priyanka Chopra looks from her brother's wedding. Leave me a comment about which all style did inspire you and which all style you did not like it at all. What do you think could have been done better in the overall accessorization? Do let us know it. We are a community here, so we can get our thoughts richer with each other's ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe for such deep dive analysis of celebrities. See you soon in my next video, only suggested by my subscriber. This is Soumitra signing off for now, your next door jewelry and style expert.